Hi guys, today we'll be demonstrating on how we'll be serving a customer and also on how we remove a plate from once a customer finished dining. We always serve from the right, placing it in the center, leaving about 1 inch from the table corner. With the main meal, with the main component facing the customer and the side dishes to the left and to the right. When we clear, we always clear from the left. And we stack and we scrape to the front. Just to demonstrate, this is how we learn how to carry 4 plates. And we'll now break that down into components, 2 plates, 3 plates, and eventually 4. Here we're demonstrating how to carry 2 plates. What we'll do is we'll break that down so I can show you how we can carry 2 plates and then build on from there. What we do is, the thumb is your leverage, which will control the weight. We turn this upside down. We have those 2 fingers, as you can see. They carry the weight in itself. We turn it upside down. We lift those 2 little fingers here, and the next plate will rest on those 2 fingers, your ball of your thumb, and on your lower arm. We place that simply on top. And here we are with 2 plates being very comfortable. This is a demonstration of 3 plates. Now we'll break it down to show you how it's done. Same at the beginning. The first plate, thumb on the rim, 2 at the bottom. We take the second plate, which we just rest underneath. Those 2 rims will match. We'll put 1 finger here and 2 underneath. With the thumb controlling the direction and those other 2 fingers carrying the weight. What we then will do to place the third plate, we twist a little, we drop it, so we create a line between the arm and that particular plate here. What we then do is take the third plate and we'll rest on this plate, on your thumb and on your arm. Just like this. This now makes 3, and if we simply want to add 1 more, that makes 4. And again, quite comfortable to carry these plates. This is to demonstrate how we clear plates and how we use the scrape method to the front, allowing us to carry more plates without creating a mess and having a more balanced approach to it. Again, as previously demonstrated, we always remove a plate from the left. We hold the fork with the thumb and we place the knife underneath. We go and we take the second plate. As we carry 2 plates, we use the same method. We lay it on top. We put the fork, hold it with the thumb. Then we scrape the food rest onto the plate below. Put the knife underneath. And we go anti-clockwise. We always go anti-clockwise. We pick up the next plate. We lay it on top. Same procedure. The fork. Scrape the food to the bottom. Knife underneath. We do 1 more time. We place on top. Use the fork under there. Scrape the food with the knife underneath. Now we have got a clear scenario here. It is by far more balanced. We hold the cutlery in place because we've got our thumb on the cutlery. And when we go to the kitchen and we scrape the food, we grab 1 knife, we scrape the food into the bin. Then it's easier to grab all the cutlery and put it straight into the cutlery bucket.